guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz. Today we got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Y-3 IDOSO BOOST. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, it helps us with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time, an opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Let's get into it. So today, we've got a look at our very first Y-3 sneaker. And for those that don't know, Y-3 is probably one of the best Japanese brands to have come out over the recent years, and it's founded by the great designer Yohji Yamamoto, and the Y-3 ADIDAS line have just been amazing. You look at this avant-garde-ness of sneakers, you think of Y-3. Very high price point. These are essentially designer sneakers, but I wouldn't say at an affordable price because they're very high priced, but it incorporates a lot of ADIDAS technologies with the Y-3 avant-garde. Its style is very unique, as I mentioned before. And we're lucky enough to have a look at the Y-3 IDOSO BOOST. We got this in the Orb Grey colorway and a UK size 8. It's a European 42 and it's a US men's 8.5. Unboxing. Okay. And it comes with a dust bag, the Y-3 logo there. Oh, another set of laces in this cool envelopes. Got black laces. Here they are. The other colorway that this comes in is black, but we are able to get a pair in the Orb Grey, Cloud White. Here they are. So we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is made out of an all rubber outsole. Very different. To me, it doesn't look like there's barely any traction patterning, but you can see the elevated grooves that are here. You can see a little window where the boost is exposed. And just at the back, again, you got this rubber here on the heel. Looking at the midsole unit, so I've said it before, there is boost technology. We love boost technology. It's great that Y-3 have incorporated the best ADIDAS technologies into their sneakers. And just here at the forefoot, you got an EVA foam cushioning, but at the heel, you've got the boost technology incorporated. It's beautiful. It's the boost heel technology. It's there for the cushioning. And essentially it looks like it's a cage that's around, it's a rubber cage, and you got a Y-3 logo at the lateral side of the heel. It's kind of on the sole as well at the bottom. Now the upper, the way that the sneaker is shaped, it's essentially a runner, but it's got that very unique Japanese look, tech wear inspired. It screams Y-3. If you're familiar with Y-3's collections, this is that avant-garde, that very unique, sleek, traditional yet modern sneaker design that Y-3 go for. And the upper is made out of a variety of materials. You can see the cuts of suede here, right there. You can see it in the toe box area, right there in this cloud grey colorway, this orb grey, as you will. And just underneath it, you got your meshes as well, textile materials, just underneath here at the toe box. There you got a lot of meshes on the lateral and the medial side, essentially where this cage is as well, where your laces will be, is a synthetic cage there. The lacing system is quite wild. It's all over the gaff, all over the sneaker, and the tongue, very nice. It's suede as well. Well, it feels like it's a nubuck or micro suede, and you got the Y-3 logo that's elevated in like an embossed nature. And just to make sure that you got the ADIDAS logo, you got the ADIDAS and Yohji Yamamoto on the tongue too. The tongue itself very thin, but it's still made out of the really great carve of nubuck or micro suede. The inner, I just want to highlight the inner of this sneaker. So the cushioning is made out of this leather cushioning, very soft, very plush materials. and this, and I can't really tell if this is a synthetic or a leather. It feels like it's a pleather, a plastic leather, synthetic leather, but the insole is beautiful. It's in the white cushions. You got your Y-3 Adidas Yohji Yamamoto logo embossed there, and just on the heel where you can see the cage more, you've got your plastics here. You can see the window of the boost in this black boost there, the rubber that's just extended from the heel, and a nicely padded heel there. Essentially, it's a sock booty system. You've got to slip your feet right in, and this is again very sleek look, very different design. It screams Y3, and this was at a very high price point we were able to get it at. And yeah, I can't wait to try it on my very first pair of Y3s. Let you know my thoughts, feelings, and emotions. So roll that footage of me trying these IDOSOs on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Adidas fit. I am a European 42, which so happens to be a UK size 8. My toes are where they need to be. And guys, this is relatively comfortable, but my only concerns are, I know where the boost technology is, and it's all going to heel. Forefoot, I don't feel like it's giving me that return of energy that I usually get when it comes to boost, but it's more, as I mentioned, it's on the heel. It is very fine in regards to the fit. It's a bit tight around the front, but it's meant to be like, I mean, it's meant to fit your feet, but it's kind of slim around the front, but it's not like choking my feet. Other than that, the inner, so the footbed inside is very soft. The cushioning around my ankle is very soft as well. And they look really dope on. I mean, what do you guys think? Let us know in the comment section below. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end on Instagram. Until next time, peace.